episode 4 GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. I had here latest and hot news in Kwa Eramede Bremo. And so you subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say will be subscribe. The other say will click the subscribe button, you know. Now I barely a year notification, you know. We understand new video be upload, you know. When the first person once ever can a year video. I feel we are now like a video. Give us a thumbs up now. Feel share my Ofori so now when you be here now who and someone also Ghana memoir. I feel you're here and someone abeto yepno so. Inti yes answer me about to inti answer me.
Ena look at in Juma beba. Na me de me yan say ye ka asem we nyina no. Where you can Ofori Atta fimu. Say ye ni edi agro san na you can Ofori Atta fimu a. No be fa no adi. Owura kan Ofori Atta boni a akoso Ghana nyina ne titiru ne ti ne pempen so boni kase no owura kan Ofori Atta na our boni kase so ne kotu ba. Me say owura kan Ofori Atta Sena President John Dramani Mahama pa ntumi anchene simra na nim pa ntumi akwhyen no a he be di ne ho yawo no reka no Ofori Atta pa na me bo se Yakopon ma ni nyinche na on provide answers ma into this abon way na se on fafie na so ko ne nkrachi ai sa ban season ne nkrampan ni don pay se season ni ade ye nkan dum de chira ma se oba aban mu a un be di bone sa ensa nyama sa nyama tantan sa we a minister now ya ban mu opania undi bone sa because nipa di bone basa owi na be kotu bible unim say first ade na me pressure pa white shirt unim say because of work and for attent me jai white shirt say me see me share white shirt divine.
Are you aware say ade be chi no magu UT bank
akọ yes ka ketwa na obeyi ni sika wo hono mu a na MPP ni panyi we say o ono kwa konya asem bi o ohia ni sika pa eno me utombu me sure say da mu yi o sika last penny ade film no eno me ka say mu Ghana for na maka no mu huna no po sika na aka no you can go to hell pa eno mu collapse e ye friend saying go coast our customers for sika care mu they didn't even care the same thing eno me dey GM bank
sanka go coast nya Akufo Atta na nkasa
I say bani say no sika ba ti onem be say me sure say sanko fu e mu no unim say omusubaya omukitane ye ahoya asuban unim say omu kro fuo omu ye omubone che abonten sofo omu krofo meto omu a omu wa aban mu omu companies omu businesses are they were doing well no they went after all such people are omu achemfo itu your chini enye say your chini kekewo unyomu abusuani a they come after you and they enu no omu de ya amoaben omu de ye atachia omude yesa omunkrofo ni nyina entimi enne se aban fraba enne se omuba be ye case ni keke na obi omu bia because cases ni nyina they discuss the prosecuting you you discuss yankrofo obi a any decision nam so a omama minor sika e waste time e waste resources a enyama asai no yetumi njankrofo no sa keke se omo nam ho no because you say ya file BBF no only prosecute said then we want to get to the bottom of the matter. Say we are where we are because of the mess they created. Until we should fix it and fix those people also. We don't fix your almost spaces na account is how no. You fix it kwebe faswa those chambers on some they be cleaning your makugumu or Ofori Atta de who for so chain the NTS on the team come na gbesi wana. These are the questions I bisa. Mimi ni madam fubia me no ka say ni fie kakra o si no bodjogbaja on na yereti mu no o maton o mawari egu untimi fa the bank school because of this banking so called banking cleanup exercise o mo yeye enti no enyama bebre akochew me de owura agongo se me hunu a eya ade bi se me nkran say ade a ye friend no a strong man because ushe niama ntata ne niama e de ayomo a imagine say for over 7 years of your life at least every week be ujina court
beyond the pressure the defamation
go anymore say
at the bonny like one am how do you Marco school like you see
na unim say aban we obi on ne disagree bia they went after such as a person were they omde here angel papa no
Kwaku Atta
yes
Kwaku Atta amani group part 1 and 2 na beka no ha
all because Kwaku Atta station or say or your radio stations are powerful and growth for benya adwuma yo mukasa o mu bi no onyo nya adwen no they decided say ombe use FDA edi akọ hante ni business aye no ma create problem di amano ema papa yi o ho anan ye ma hye no se sen ka wotie ya host show yi wa from more than 20 times se men kasa ye di bonjom munum station no mu fi ho papa yi ti wonu na wanya bi
ba unim se japade Kwaku otene ba Francisca wo
omu
yeah
se no ti na kwabre sa constituency no omu decide say na Akufo Addo decide say e kwan ba akokora mpo ni wonu mu a obe fix sa pa na mo
omu so mu man ewo mu ejapade mu se omu ma Francisca nkobiem ewe japade mu me see last time I read me drew that part of portion hono
ono so anko bi mu
e dey go contest no mu yi no
otchere me sa go through na me maye
lusu
because the president abegina ukon abeka na wose oni bibia ye enti wo hene ne kromfo pa omo ba omo nkwoto aba ma ndisia wo kwa kwede omo ewajapade mu se Kwaku ote omo be ma na bofom ne ba no so nko bi ewajapade mu
mi wono emobu mu aso nipa o say it tell people for move about like omo ya de omo ndwen hu say nipa no omo ni di sa abone no ana
amokonko mo be bomuti so
Muakasa amu nipa o amone na science
financiers
your kahubi all because say on come asem ne nyam de enti no e say mugu even po radio station na eyesa no man target radio station no mo target Net2 no mo say ho na ye the cash cow enti no mo target ne Net2 ne drinks no company no so na be ya ho no yegunu a obenya card be fande o media house
madam fu bi se onam tema enclave mu ho ba bia na okoto warehouse bi e no ko hu trucks ya che se de be rastaras de be yi obi se mo ya mo se Dr. Kwaku otendia o omo so omo ma ne contract no ne ade amada bese lo an wakọ je amade omo be gigi na omo agege o import o ne ma ne ba ya aka Oma farmer no.
Na because o pese o embarrassing the panity no say there be o ye course we chira e pull strings akoshieshia even justices are handle case ni na judges say be ya case ni e be di ama because o pe boni adi enam no ka say grigri afori afoko grigri afoko ebi mu say Gregory odam yamani bail
but understood
them simply because ni nuane afoko na ono ne afoko nkasa nti no o yine da na wabubu mra no de ahye ne nsem na de open no na ode ye naka ye ka bi ahyem orangogo of all the banking cleanup exercise omo egu omo banka utimu say nipa omu di animu nyina omo jimi no aya gongo di no say na treaty no look at the reasons they gave. Say, we say, nipa no, o share ni sika no a. Tio, what did nipa ni jina court? O say nipa no case na o court no nti no. Ne bank ne cannot stand. Na court ye bu asam ne ye. Ye bu ane for. Ye ka say, we di for. Case ni da so di. It is there na so ujina sa asam ne so a ni case na o court no nti no. O so dia no gu no. Egu ni bank. Prejudicial.
Where they who outcome.
Outcome now say, and outcome no point. I'm bumpo. Look how many years ago
bank. Addison should be sued.
Apart from that, o say the source of funding need there ben sika na nkasa no want to be interest and source ni finish and yet. Na ori go to no man who license so be operate bank. Obi be operate a see our requirements obe meet ana meboa. Nipa na go through requirement ni nyina make funds available they set bank a bank only liquidity challenges bia only insolvent everything all the banks even at the time that Heritage Bank is stronger than Prudential is it Prudential Bank honum and so say we be di boni enti mu collapse
we know the chairman of board chairman imagine so when you have such a venerable Kwesibochi as chairman
na said you obi a wadwi mu da ho na oye yi a fanisa gongo case enwie ye no na ugina so a me se nka me ya ban a nka me de me sabeto so na ya manage na customer sika no yes save we protect workers no until say be assembly mpo no ye be ka ma wie no so di bi mu amode na dia ama no when di bi mu abai no still state is in charge wo di eche say nipa no ho ahia nti no pa Kwakwa.
So Ogunu opposition san wo.
And me pa say
Ogunu opposition san wo ba be.
Na governor kro to where on the be.
Was na ni tiri mu adwen ni say Ogunu opposition.
Ogunu woni tirim
ya.
Kan sa Ogunu woni tirim
opposition ya.
Enti no adwenbone sa nanka unim say nde those social media MPP social media gangs no unim madam na to Facebook one day posterity na all of a sudden opuni na agongo case no aban we buy no watu case no
Oma buy class so 7 years.
Obi the one day na say kwasasem a mumu buafu.
Ana no manjeli wo mu.
That's how you want.
Bas scandal yeah jo Mahama. Ana manjeli no.
All these things koso. Na me de sa ban no asesa. Oye nyina no. Agongo case no say esi ano. Me no ka say papa ni apamo no. SEC papa no.
Why no?
Securities and Exchange Commission boss yapamo no.
Gba mi tete.
Yes, yapamo no. Ya hwa na papa no so ya won atiko. Bank of Ghana adese papa no. Ya won atiko.
That is what where dey.
See they be April.
Ne dey na be ende.
The term
60.8 billion cedis now Oboye Kano alone is enough to sack him.
There are so many
60.8 billion
raises
because say also will go bank. Because Oma Boka 9 billion. Now boy and 60.8 billion. I see you feel why is it still there?
One say sa bank asemi ya the same Adrimboni Adrimfi I did pretty panel. No one mujina so no so mudi Gucci.
But 120 days. Most also in the retirement age in Beso April. President Mahama the manifesto speech ni muno. E wo mu say first 120 days those banks no ya wo mu gu no de wo say onya na license so 120 days
yeah.
Na say governor na Addison can point blank say so that's why a governor obi anya na license
that's so you say
it is 120 days ni be so no na say Addison that's why your governor dey am forget
who knows that time no can so no say Akufo Addo fi power da
no the recent interview
no me person me just that na Akufo Addo hand over you
Only a year, George, we are after say President Mahama swearing in Yano. One George, we are feel Joy FM.
Chese no say.
No, a governor, won't forget it.
Now, so on your governor, no be forget. You be you.
You be 2% won't you say?
120 days, Mr.
Addison, you be you.
So 120 days, and I say April, no, that's all.
Let me tell you, say Addison, Netikoni Yehu nanim da.
Okay, in the worst case scenario, so by April, no.
April.
Okay, so you're training April, so now concern, no say. And also, why can't you
because who say there's a clause. Omomo de no, who fire in that way, I say who pay no awful.
But so the two will be my penny pan off.
2 months I came.
December crank the betray.
60 billion kakrayabo.
Yeah, farmer we say no sounds of scat to chili sounds of fan coffee. What's the April?
Listen, walk with 3 years akọ defi.
Me say he must account for the 60.8 billion.
Walk 3 years no asa akọ defi.
And yes na be si but the here so ndi kan coffee first.
Coffee first.
Na banks na ya gun ogun no dey say niama no. Ya hwe kono be fa so abe ye be reinstate those banks. Na mo so operating na mbebu na nya adwuma bia ya onim say see per the calculation
now KGM bank
yes almost restore banks no even 4 of them are onim say be creating 12,000 indirect jobs a day
just 4
of them you nya the license more than 12,000 jobs in be creating one day per what I say enti no as so omomo de no wo fire in that way I say we pay no awful
but so the two will be my penny pan off.
2 months I came
December crank the betray
60 billion kakrayabo.
Yeah, farmer we say no sounds of scat to chili sounds of thousands of fan coffee. What's the April?
Addison name walk 3 years akọ defi.
Me say he must account for the 16.8 billion.
And yes, I never see, but the Yanis only can go fear first. Now, banks now, you're good or good, no, they say in Yamano. You're talking about Swabby, you're very reinstating those banks. No more operating now. Mbabuna Juma Bia, wouldn't say the CA per the calculation.
Now, bank.
Yes, almost restore banks, no, even 4 of them are. Wouldn't say be creating 12,000 indirect jobs a day.
Just 4.
4 of them. You need the license more than 12,000 jobs in a big creating one day pay. What I say? And you know, as some
banks, there's 9 indigenous banks.
Yeah. Oh, there are 4 calculations I made the amount.
Now, I say, you say, Attorney General, I'm my instruction. Sir Dr. Stephen Opuni. Kaneno ye Cocoa Board chairman, one a businessman back wa Ghana punto wa kwendia sebe so alaje sedu agongo achas wo ye businessman nipa enya ne so fa so buburuja wa ba asem ekopie mu wo court fa Cocoa Board fertilizer bia chese ye import to edeba Ghana sa case no obi a wa follow me bia ma campaign say Sasam no asa na wutie mu a sasam na ehye da ni tire ni nan asa edinsa na won wo se samre no Godfred amia no ya Attorney General wutie ACP agoza o se se wo obi o ya vindictive a wontimi nyi Godfred amia si nchen eye ni suban enti asa oyedipa bi a ma menya de me party fo ani beje ho ma mentata ni pasuma sise be ya me party fo ebeje me so enya me na me ka o de bia di ACP say eye agozo eno ono obeka na numu asem se ekwan ode ne fa so ene nsem wa pie free na no e wo no na asem na ye se wone nkrofo bia plan ku chomba betu abanyagu na WhatsApp chats and omukoyi ne number say what the information be to WhatsApp platform bi so enti wane wo mo plan cool no eya adwen baako no no kra no mo security tips now show at bia mo de ACP agozo famu now show papa no na dwuma waye ne se de wasom Ghana ene se de ye gu nanim ase ene kwanya ye de ne fa so na ko wie akira Osi Godfred amia no ya Attorney General wana na Akufo Addo abamu ka kire ne se papa yi dia ya de ne fare ho keke na ono na ya de ne fare ho keke no mpo ene ya de ne fa sa tibia nim ti e kire se samra ne se nyame na bedu ho afofi na e bia bibi se ne ase wonim ni pasu masi ni ade wo fare ho a e fare ho ne krampo no wo hu kwanya ya de wo fa so Obia follow sa Cocoa Board issue ni bia no asem na ewo evidence a ye di asem na ko 8 years ni antimi ni asem ni wie ye di abuga pele na ejidamo issues ni ayi court no me pa cho edi na sen sa case no President John Dramani Mahama no ada ka sa asem no mo fa court nko hwehwem enyo bi onu ana mamuom onu ana damfo no kasa na sa policy no wode baaye wo mu sa corruption bi akoso wa baabi wo ye so mo fa asem no court no me pa cho ye nyina ya wa Ghana ha sa asem no edi na sa wo court but at the end of the day ya wa cases bebre akọ court wa Ghana ha no ma asem no wo ready ti na ahwe ne na ya wo hu baabi asem na sase wo e na wo hu baabi chese ni ti so wo eti wo follow sa case na besi enne aya se Attorney General ama instruction say asem no wahwehwe ma o hu ni ti hu ni na madanse bi anka hu ti wo bu ntwam eno na akọfa ahase pese omonwenwe ho enwenwe hu bi ani ho se na Godfred abi wa evidence amenye sure say sa asem no nke bedi more than 6 years wo court any 6 years wo court and wunim samra no na deliberate attempt to say my yen sheda ni yan gu Ghana fo bi nwuma se be ya yen na ya ba abamu no ya be yetinya ye huye etu ya kwan Bank of Ghana fa so our go Heritage Bank our Ghana ha wo sha asem no pa na nya political motivational wutumi se na dance bia ni hu Eti se de omugu GN Bank, eti se de omugu Unibank, eti se de omugu Unicredit, eti se de omugu UT. Ye gugu banks, ye gugu nkrofo binumu nyuma, ye susu se omo ye affiliated to a certain political party. But omo refi omo se sa political party affiliated people no, se adwuma mpod wo ma bia wo ma fa ni pa adwuma. As nkrofo no tua tax e contribute to the GDP. Omo forget here no. Witch hunting, political witch hunting. And I know what Makuma do about adwemu because I will follow sa case we ya me wonim and I person me case no bebre because ya other stories aye ba be ye ba me pa che wo sa fertilizer na ne ye ka ho asem no enye no an ye use ya Ghana yetimi nya 1 million metric tons of cocoa ebi si biem be sin de Mahama free power ya ye nya sa cocoa no ye nya biem be sin de wa mo ba ya fertilizer no o ma fa bi ama mass spray no ma fa bi ama wo mo wi aye no mo tisi kokofo no mo cha se so mo twitwa tugu e ya mo di galamsey sa fertilizer ko na ye ka ho asem no eno na ma Ghana koko ejina ne nan so besi na sa asem no sa history no ye ntimi break ye anything na make to assess na Godfred dame attorney general dead no what evidence that was asem no aka sa asem no any 2 years in court. But now Samra no eya adwene pobi aya bosem ma yenta tankrofo bi ma yengu nkofo bi nyuma se ba ya ye be weekend NDC party no because there is this perception se sankrofo no ye NDC fo de a wo mo no mo be hye NDC party ni den eti ye gu omadwuma na se ye gu party na pre na wo ye Yakopon. You are not God. Eti one say one more de na omo ye omadwe say yengu so called NDC for yengu omadwuma ne yenye ye de yie no anything na ne enkofo bebre no amenya information kofo so SIC no kra ye de miame boss ene me bra James agede mboaten ko ho no SIC no agu ena me se engu yo SIC engu ye Akufo Addo any can Ofori Atta do mo yo ma dwen say ade bia yo man na japade bia o me say no ma yo mo de yie anything na SIC man no insurance ade bia wo say fa SIC no mo de akofa enterprise me ba cha enterprise ya ban dia enya ban dia e can Ofori Atta no dia enti adwuma na wo say SIC ye no ena wa mo share da bo mo tirim po eno yo man ne dia me no mienu ye benya so fa so me no mienu ye benya ho chese emfa so pay wa dia bo man ne ho bra dia yengu no na yenye ye yabusua dia ye hwa the perception na won confirm we tirim ne say ma yenye nyuma ne yie say be ya the next 10 years the next 20 years even the next 50 years ye ne ye ma yendi hia da adwina na wo mutirim no etu amsha se no mo hu se e kwama ne be fa so e betimi amasa ye tirim po na ya bo na bebam enya yengugu Ghana fo bi mu nyuma yesusu se ye no mo the same field. That was the agenda. Enti ma yengu se adwuma na ye gu se adwuma na ye de ne begina it is our Heritage Bank eni pa na form adwuma na mo bru 350 no mo ye Ghana for pa cha mo ye Togo for and omo China for mu nyina omo ya Ghana for but so me so a Heritage Bank na tua sa nkrofo ne ka e ma sa nkrofo no omo ya breadwinners wo mabusuam omo tua aduane mo omo magi omo tua nkrofo ma school fees enti ekowi akire no e ya adwene bi se ma yengu sa adwuma ne ye gu sa adwuma ne wi a wow omo refi se omo gu adwuma na Ghana for no omo ya employees no e na omo ho ba kire wo mo sanjini free wo mutirim because no ma yo ma de say ye guru ni ye die yie anything that can Ofori Atta timi tam wa mamu ni nyina di no de akwaje bosia no de bosia na ba be fa data bank no wa ka che say data bank and ya advisor e ma ye kwaje bosia no up to the percentage eno na binum kwa kan ya no ase wanti ase say ya se akoba bosia timi na data bank ya me ma me dia data bank ani se da yo dia say no dia eti sia data bank ya kan Ofori Atta dia na o ma ne kwaje bosia no no gimu percentage ni ase kan Ofori Atta gi bia sementi ase na bank no hwan dia enti yes shade gu Heritage Bank because e said we agongo dia or ye NDC ni yes shade say yam stress ye kan so opuni e say so ye dia or ye NDC ni for almost 8 years now some back who court ye ntimi nya evidence ni yakwane ye ba
enema ye ma party no abrabo nimdie ni nyansa de to party ye sika ni ahode hwema no ye kama no firi honom ye wo me sikan because of this party me papa ye bu no wo chebi na enkofo bi ayomadwe se omode omu hia che obi. We want Ghana to succeed. Boys are bread. We are going to organize a demonstration for the foot soldiers. Tell my phone executives so much since 92 and then you want me to crying. Sometimes no more titi power and I'm for some more to me no. No be anymore. You be any maybe a movie. Can you check that couldn't want to move in a mobile? No, I'm understand me. We are going to do what is right for Ghana and what is right for the party. So mkuye o mkuye. Kofu abanhye huye o. Atamno sabaye huye. Mahama abaye huye. Jerry Rollins abaye huye. Ghana was for all of us. Me dry twa or chihne. Me dry twa or tumfo. The air cost the air time. And what sort of greediness? Na mo de mo se mo tumu nsu gu abontindin sawa shem. Uko he Bawumia sebi ye kremefo ho no mko. Basa, Akufo Addo nye foko emorchimai. Not one single thing. How can somebody do a deal, Japa deal, a conflict of interest? Ladies and gentlemen, we've got some information and we're putting out there. Masa, at this year end until Emma enquire AD adie. Emma omo enjoy privilege. Ebe catch a privilege a stress. Yanwan say na me kwasi asama kwakwa ye be gina mu fie che baka che say efie ne mu fie na e kan say sa won kan so bi ma momba abofunu wo ba e na mu da e tashi ngwa wo ma me kra na efie a wo dam no mpeso be da wo ne dem o do to boys quarters a kwan a wofa so call law school a kwan a wofa so ye nyema ye ni nyina o masa a bibi a goka papa enjechira edija eya tama na ye de ye kra ene ye hoode eto wa party na munika pre akwa bi no te wa no ya akasesam ne atutu asem na na iri nurse ewo America no isaniska Okodi drug dealer here and oto a Chrysler man so to kawano and akwana so di ni yesu di ni re and I didn't say me buy onya yanyan kwala we've been through we've done that when we're doing some freaking shit for the party and yema party no abrabo nimdie ni nyansa de to party ye sika ni ahode hwema no ye kama no firi honom ye wo me sikan because of this party me papa ye bu no wo chebi dike Boakye wo ko ye tutu ni tiri autis ye bu no double money zoe os one man nipa tongrem. The first time I ever got arrested because me made 1.8 million cedis, 1991. And the bray akache. And I made go because you Obuasi gold and Konongo gold mines because my mom had equipment at Konongo gold mines and Obuasi gold mines. Na na Boakye ansa minim so what asia no wo nyame mfa crown to. We gave it to the government. We made boys are bread. I started Invisible Forces, Delta Forces. I said Delta. What do you call it? What's the name of the company? The Eye triggered down with Truman, Savannah, all these guys. We started things. Nothing happened. Oroku. At a week, number 3 spending over $35,000 for the party. And you'll be a sicko. I never went to anybody for money. These elections, last minute, scam me say no. Obient me and mommy capre. because the love of the party or the love of Akufo Addo. Na enkofo bi ayo madwen se omo de omo hia che obi to be spend 2.3 million a year hu. Whatever he spends is his own cup of tea. Master, we want Ghana to succeed. Now the Obre Nodi boys are bread. We are going to organize a demonstration for the foot soldiers. I just say boys are bread and confirm bread. Oh my, the campaign Cham my phone executives of otchere since 92, and then you want me to credit. And these people they know us by name. Sometimes no one more titi power and no for some more to me no. No be anymore. We be any maybe a movie. God you check that couldn't want to move in a mobile. No, no understand me. Yo, we are going to do what is right for Ghana and what is right for the party. So mkuye o mkuye. Mi dry twa otchere. Mi dry twa otumfo. The air cost the air time. And what sort of greediness? Na mo dem se mutu mo nsu gu abontindin sawa shem. Sabi ama wuko tina baby ai be fo ko do mo ko e. Wuko hwe Bawumia sabi ye trimo fo ko do mo ko. Na mo di achimfo di achibu mo achim. Adin. Na be bia che o kimi ko bre. Na wa ko po contract kra. O ko do no apem se one fresh nyanu fo ya. Contract na ko pe bia. Adin. Kofu abanhye hu yo. Atamo sabanye hu yi. To Mahama abanye hu yi. Na o hwe Gyamfi sabanye hu yi. Ghana was for all of us. Mudi niema tutu ye. Chese mudidi. Company ba ku bia okroma. Deal say kosu bia omunim ho. Ye fe bi yield spread. Bonds or more tone and they get what we call yield spread. How can somebody do a deal, so-called a Japa deal, conflict of interest? Now we go to a company, that company one London you are also affiliated with. Hey, now we move for Ghana for a Jimmy Sana. Masa, Papa no tiaku ya so who for no. Na greet the form. Omo mo di na chi, and omo bua no edi na bron. Up till now, otchiman mu no, ye timi nya bibia ma otchiman. Mo so mo se otchiman o, basa Akufo Addo nya foko em otchiman. Not one single thing. You are there to one year. Many abrofo bi ko che bi. Abrofo na se mo busa me ne say. Again, a president I am watching by. And I'm so you could next time obey. And also, what is the guarantee? Say about next time. And Akufo Addo an next time. Why you share watching my? Nothing. You will come see me and carry on the bokiti. Most of mo yeri no ma masemo mo navufo mo tu mo nsu go abontam ya sawa hye masa ya bre mo bekuya mo nkuye ye ka. I'm angel na ya Boakye danko Ofori Atta o wa hni yadom. Kwame danko Ofori Atta me ba mo platform mu yimi free so enne me benipam. Ya tsadia tro. Ya mamu nkuye ni mase Ghana bai si ya hwede ma fe ne siwa wa hwe Ofori Atta bien na Akufo Addo bien na obedi aban biem. But we are leaving a legacy for our children. We won't let you guys destroy us because of your selfish ambitions and goals. Masa, na men come home. Na se man se stand no anye nyama yia. Ye nana mo be bre eka yabo. Eka. Company now worth about 200 or 100 and something million dollars. It's now worth about 1.8 million dollars. And then kwana mope. Those via moko bia mo nim se mo amkrofo mo twam ho hia no. On the information about now, some to consume about here. Mumma abandon mo, and I be busy. Honambo. information I ain't count and they mama life. A chino and a chino. The mama dear call. Massa, Asuma make on behalf of the country, on behalf of Chimay, on behalf of Santimay, maybe my media crab refuse 82. No pie Kwame down call for Atta, me a Santini a chimney. And this assembly to be a men crow for a move on the kumi. Motiana, young friend Yagrobi. A day, the young man was your for me. Addition, and nothing from that, and quantity of course. It's enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We will bring out their deals, their transactions. Just private, just almost 4 months. 419 we know everything. The fund is that it's our boys, it's our people. They just the private just almost find the Konya yeah, for. They will try to intimidate me. They will try to kill me. But in my crowd, baby, I'm in Ghana for Monfabo crew. We are here for good, and we're going to make it happen for the future generations. It doesn't matter whether you think you are worth 400 million, 500. Master, obi friend me. Me am a bushy ni a friend say, "Mammy, family home, and my mammy can be handsome." And so, Kojo asase wo works and housing. I will come to man the bush for echo tree. I buy asase. Oh yeah, me say o makotu I me from mom kokoko. O ka chem say my hwebuya they will fuck me up. Obi friend me. I have the recording. I can chem say if I do they will put a bullet in my head. Or he knows so what obi bank kan nobody said anything. Not a person. They made the case lie. When somebody threatened my life and threatened my brother's life, what sort of government? When did we start gathering people? When did the Akufo Addo, who was supposed to stand for freedom, rights, integrity, and credibility, start fighting people? What the hell are we talking about? This is Ghana. This is Ghana. I'm ready to stand up against everybody. Some I'm not doing it for myself, I'm doing it for Ghana. I chim for the Osei, the Ofori Atta, and I chim for or Childaku Mokume. There was a time when my brothers and other things started talking. They claimed that I was the one behind it. I wasn't the one behind it, but this time my name is Angel Nanaya Ofori Atta. Shortly Angel Ofori Atta. I am talking. We know those are money, baby. We know everything. And the Mukwana Medidi. Ah, Muko ye Japaja mo dia chimfo kwa legusu. Na sanfo no mu no moji mo ni nyansa ho. Ah? Muko evaluate and appraise the value of the gold in Ghana. You did it at $1 billion. But the original appraisal was about 6-point-something billion. I'm never seeing Jimmy. Huh? Every appointment that is going on in this government is connected to one person. The ministers, is connected. Hey, master. Whatever inferiority or whatever complexes you guys have, no. And yet, Ghana, I'm not anymore. The things you guys couldn't do it for all your life, you are trying to use it 5 years or 8 years to achieve everything. And then, yeah, break. And then, can't you, Becca? Muya, Mupa, Munya, me. Yeah, break. The Drew Dia, Mimi, Namwe, me drew me were Amsterdam, America say. Maybe I'm the number. Munya, me, more busy. Acquire friends, glass and wine, Casa. This is the voice within. we are going to also talk. Yes, some me any mwasi. Yes, some mo bi a ya bobra e yesika aboa party. Yesika wo masa. 2007 me bagana be ye campaign. Man je campaign for bia. 2008 I did campaign. Me ko na me mortgage company worth millions of dollars ago. But we lost. And I went back and revived myself. 2012, when the congressmen and senators came to Ghana, we invested. And the boys who moved in, I said, move for Biayashi, move and Kwasiafo, yes, men. Oblaka say, yes, I'm not going to know. More than Kwasiafo, what Jimmy attitude to ministries. Attitude to Babia, say, I'm not going to sound with me, Kasa. Obia won't watch. Naka, and then I fair. Asante Foka, obi pa dia kokotoko eni na bro. Somebody and who nipa be ye be change positions the appointments. And then na kaefe. As when am so obi aye akwa. Ba ofia ka say obi aba ofia ofro. Wo ye wan? Wo ba ye hu na o se chawote no rasta enu hu fi. Wo ba ye hu. Ohene munja ye mo kano. Na me aka saka mo.
Yo, waiting for winning and some abeto yepuno so because say we subscribe to channel area bomodi say over subscribe. So say had latest and hot news and kwa enamide bravo. Afi we are now like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma of so na when you be here na wo hu and somewhere ekoso e wo Ghana memo ha. Also betimi otchere wadwen afaye and some way nyira ho e wo comment box ni mu beti menka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.